actually a dairy cow nutritionist. That's what I did for 25 years before I came back to run the family farm 5 years ago. So I do the diets myself, and all the feed stuffs, the forages that we grow on the farm, the corn silage, the hay crops, are all tested regularly, so that they're balanced with the supplements that we feed the cows to not only promote more production but also healthy cows, and the vitamins and minerals are balanced well for them so that they're getting the needs, we're meeting their nutritional needs all the time.